Congratulations on choosing Wasatch Overland for your high top install. So what are the next steps? Simply email or call, and those details are right here. And one of our sales staff will write up an estimate for you, which will include the high top and any of the additions that you've chosen. For example, a fan, solar, windows, and we can do the ladder, we can do the bumpers, whatever it is that you want, and we'll send that estimate over to you. If everything looks good on the estimate, you would click review and approve. That estimate will then be turned into an invoice that'll be emailed to you. That email will also have a clickable link where you can pay a 50% deposit online. So you can use your credit card, you can use your checking account, however you want to pay us. You pay the 50% deposit and that'll put your high top into production. One of our sales team will reach out to you and let you know roughly when your high top is going to be delivered to us. Now, as we get closer to that date, someone will reach out to you and actually schedule in an installation date, and that'll be done via email. So keep an eye out for that email. On installation day, we ask that you arrive at about 8 a.m. with the van as empty as possible, and you'll pull in right about here. We'll take the keys from you and have you fill out a little bit of paperwork, and then we'll give you the keys to our awesome Ford Bronco so that you can go off and have some fun while we take care of the rest. When you come to collect your van, we'll take a little tour inside, and there will be some things that I'll explain to you. For example, please do not put your fingers in the marine sealant for 12 hours until it sets up. I will also show you where the wooden reinforcement is, that is along the side of all of our high tops, as well as in the ceiling section where it runs right down the middle and then down each side of the raised sections. And then I'll show you what the raised sections are made out of. If you had windows installed, I will then give you a tutorial on your windows or anything else that we've installed for you, for example, solar, ladder, bumpers, etc. Worth noting is if your van has windows, that is not an issue. If your van is a cargo van with no windows, that is not an issue. If you have a Chevy Express and you have passenger airbags, that is not an issue. Everything we do is above there. The only high top that we install is a 24-inch high top. That allows for over 6'4" of standing room in the rear of a Ford, 6'2" in the front, and if you have a Chevy, there is a little more height in the rear. You will pay the balance for the high top install plus anything else that we've done for you, and then you can roll out of here in your van with a new high top.